Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sarah and I'm going to be talking about backups today. But before I talk about backups, I just want you to subscribe to my channel for digital security tips, and believe me, you're going to love this channel. So today I am talking about backups, and when I talk about backups, I mean a copy of computer data that is stored somewhere else, so that in case something happens like a loss, you're able to retrieve that data. Yes. So there are different types of backups. We have full backup, we have incremental backup, we have differential backup. So when I talk about a full backup, it's a type of backup whereby you just back up everything at once. Like for example, on WhatsApp, if you've never backed up anything before, you have to do a full backup the first time, and you have to back up everything. There is also what they call an incremental backup. An incremental backup is usually done after a full backup is done. So for example, let's say if you have files on WhatsApp and you've done a full backup today, and then tomorrow again you have chats on WhatsApp, you chat on WhatsApp, and you've set your information to back up every day. So if your information is backed up on WhatsApp tomorrow, that is what is called an incremental backup. It backs up only the information of the next day. It backs up information that is new, not the old one. But then there is what they call a differential backup. Yes, a differential backup backs up the information that was saved after a full backup was done, and then also the information of the next day and then the third day. Now how can I illustrate this? If you did a full backup on Monday and then on Tuesday you have some new information, that new information is added on top of the information that was done the first day on the full backup. Now that is called incremental backup. But then if you had new information again, let's say like on Wednesday, a differential backup backs up information from the full backup, then adds on the one of the Tuesday, then adds on the one of the Wednesday. Now if you have again another new information on Thursday, what a differential backup will do will add the information on the full backup for Tuesday, add the one of Wednesday, then add the one of Thursday. So that is it. Now let me just explain it once more. Incremental backup. Incremental backup is done after a full backup, and information that is new is the one that is added. But for differential backup, adds up all the information, including the one that is old, then the new one. That is it. I hope you understood backup, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.